Hi everyone, Greg Davis with MarineMax here in Savannah. Give you a quick walkthrough of a new 2019 190 SPX outboard from Sea Ray, one of the few 2019s we have still available. Give you a quick walkthrough. All white hull, really pretty tan interior, bimini, galvanized trailer. Walking to the back. Big swim deck on this boat, big back sun deck, ski tow. It's equipped with a Mercury 150 4-stroke outboard, boarding ladder. Nice thing with Sea Ray is the side walk-through, makes getting in and out of the boat much easier. This one is equipped with 2 captain's chairs, which is really nice in rougher water. Also has a stainless steel upgrade for your drink holders and rails. This one has the Simrad digital dash, fusion stereo, tilt steering wheel, big ski locker in the floor, storage on the port side, lots of room in the front. This one also comes with both covers. For more information on this Sea Ray or any boat we have in stock, give us a call in Savannah, area code 912-897-9881. Thanks.